Hi, students. Today we will read the Vietnam Health Clinic story, Part 7, Training Ping. Tour, the tour of the health clinic, janitor's closet, and the office. This is Ping's office. Okay. Ping, you're part of our team now. You're part of our team now. Welcome to our team. I will give you a tour. I will give you a tour. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the staff room. This is the staff room. This is the janitor's closet. This is the janitor's closet. Yes, this is the janitor's closet. The cleaning chemicals are on the shelf. Cleaning chemicals, shelf. The garbage can is next to the shelf. The garbage can is next to the shelf. The plastic bags are on the shelf. The plastic bags are on the shelf. Plastic bags, garbage can. The plastic bags are for the garbage can. We call them can liners. Can liners. Garbage can, plastic bags. And you see they say can liners. When you clean floors, you will need a mop. You will need a broom. You will need a broom. Mops and brooms are here. You will need a vacuum. You will need a vacuum. The vacuum is here. Mop, vacuum, broom. Mop, vacuum, broom. The floor cleaning chemicals are here. The caution signs are here. The gloves are here. Caution sign, gloves, floor cleaning chemicals. Caution sign, gloves, floor cleaning chemicals. We have an office for the custodian. We have an office for the custodian. So this is your office. This is your desk. The paper is in the drawer. The paper is in the drawer. This is your chair. This is your computer. This is your printer. This is your phone. This is your phone. There is a pencil in the drawer. There is a pen in the drawer. There are erasers in the drawer, too. Oh, this is great. Can I put posters on the wall? Can I put posters on the wall? Yeah, no problem. Please use tape. Tape. Yeah, no problem. Please use tape. Where is the outlet? The outlet. Where is the outlet? The outlet is behind the desk. The outlet is behind the desk. Is there an extension cord? Yes, there is. Or no, there isn't. Let's say, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Is there an extension cord? Yes, there is. There is an extension cord. Do you like candy? Yes, I do. Well, there is candy under the computer. Well, there's candy under the computer. Wow, thanks. Tape, phone, outlet, outlet, phone, tape, tape, phone, outlet, phone, outlet, tape. Pen, posters, desk. Number 1 is a desk. Number 2, pen. Number 3, posters. Computer, chair, printer. Chair, number 1. Computer, number 3. Janitor. Number 2. Pencil, drawer, paper. Pencil. Number 2. Paper. Number 1. This is a drawer. Drawer comes out. Drawer. Number 3. Extension cord. Erasers. Number 1. These are erasers. Number 2. This is an extension cord. Extension cord. Can you make the sentence? Pencil, drawer, in the drawer. Pencil, there, is. There is a pencil. There is a pencil in the drawer. Erasers. Drawer. Can you make the sentence? Make the sentence. Erasers are there in the drawer. There are erasers. There are erasers in the drawer. There are erasers in the drawer.